In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Mailchimp branding, focusing on the complete 2025 guide. Now, this might be something you've wanted to do for a while, especially if you're on one of Mailchimp's paid plans. This guide applies specifically to the standard, essentials, or premium plans. So let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. From here, look towards the top of the page. You'll want to navigate over to the Campaigns drop-down menu. Select all campaigns from there. This will give you a list of all your past and current email campaigns, making it easier to find the one you'd like to modify. Now locate the specific email campaign or template where you want to remove the Mailchimp branding. Once found, open it up, and you should see an option that says Edit Design. Click on that, and it'll take you to a page where you can adjust the various components of your email. As you scroll down, keep an eye out for the footer section, which is typically the last content block of your campaign. When you found it, hover over the section. You should notice an edit icon that looks like a small pencil. Go ahead and click on that. In this area, you'll likely see a line with the words "Powered by Mailchimp." What you want to do is highlight and delete this text. This action will help in removing the Mailchimp branding from your campaign. While you're at it, make sure to take a moment to review your footer. It's crucial to ensure that all required information, such as your physical address and the unsubscribe link, remains present, since these are essential components for compliance and best practices. After you've completed these changes, go ahead and click on Save and Close. Once that's done, select Continue, and at this point, you can decide whether to send or save your campaign. It's worth noting that Mailchimp restricts this branding removal feature to only those accounts that are on a paid tier. So if you find yourself unable to delete this branding despite following the steps, you might want to check your current plan. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can give your emails a cleaner, more professional look, free from additional branding. Hopefully this guide has been helpful in making this process smoother for you. Be sure to like and subscribe for more insights and tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.